Hey, it's me, Mama Grooves, coming at you with this watercolor kit that I made last night using this container I found in my studio laying around. You can use almost any container that has a lid. It needs to have something that keeps it closed there. Not really necessary. You can have a lift-off lid. I have a few of those too. So I'm going to paint with these colors tonight using some of my favorite brands. All right, Mama Groove's about to do her thing. Now, whenever you use masking fluid, it can destroy your brush. So what you're going to do is just take a drop of dish detergent immediately after using it and unload the brush into the dish detergent, just like this. Okay? And then I'll take it over to the sink and I'll rinse it out. When I get back, it'll be just like new. And as you can see, the bristles aren't stuck together, and I didn't destroy this little brush that came with some kit, which they don't hold a whole lot of value except for using masking fluid. Then they're invaluable. Alright, so I'm going to preserve that brush so I don't have to throw it away, and I'll bring it back so you can see it. Alright, so here's the brush after the masking fluid. You see I can use it again. Just make sure you do that immediately after use. Now there are other ways you can preserve the brush beforehand, and I'll show you that at a later date. But right now I've masked my little flower out so we can demonstrate these fabulous colors. So let's get started. Let's tear the tape off of this now. Remember to always tear your tape away from your work. You see, it'll pick up a little bit of your paper. So if you tear it into your work, you might tear your work. I have done that before. I'm going to pull it away. As I talked about in my video demonstrating the watercolors, this is a rich background I was talking about. Some of that will leak, but it's okay because when you mat it and frame it, all that'll be hidden, so no worries. But this is the finished little piece I got. This little petal, I have no idea where it came from. Sometimes your pencil lines get hidden in the masking when you take off the masking fluid, and that's okay. I've looked at many a flower that had some type of deformity. That's my flower's deformity. And this type of flower is a I don't know flower. I just typed in line drawing in Google and I picked the first prettiest one I saw. I'll show it to you. So as you can see, this line drawing looks nothing like this. I just borrowed the shape and the leaning of it, and that's a good way to have some reference for your work when you don't want to copy other people's stuff. Just type in free line drawing flower is what I typed in, because you don't want a copyrighted flower either. So I typed in free, and that's what came up. There are other websites, I don't know what they are, that offer you free drawings and reference photos that you can reference to. Always try to use a photograph or a line drawing. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. I'm just getting warmed up again, and things will progress as the summer goes by. Hope you enjoyed it.